Excuse me. So I developed this pair of shoes that I'm calling high heel Heelys. They're supposed to be, you know, like basically a dress shoe for the very, very busy person. Is this something you could see yourself wearing?
No.
Not at all?
Not at all.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
Maybe.
Would you recommend it to a friend you hate?
Yes.
What's up, Weisz guys? So I'm back again. This time we're trying to make a pair of Heelys. So I've got a plan to do this, but the first thing we need obviously is shoes. So we came to Ohio Thrift, but the thing is they probably won't let us film in there. We got all the nuts. Now it's time to get to work on our real heel Heelys. That's a terrible name. High heel Heelys? That's a much better name. We've got the shoes and we've got skates. Now, it would be pretty lame if I just ripped the bottoms off these skates and put them on the shoes. So try to make them into proper Heelys with an axle button going through the back. It's gonna be kind of dicey. Plan is pretty much to use, if we run them through the back, that should give us just enough room to get the wheels on there. So I actually didn't figure this out. These bearings actually aren't sealed bearings. So when I take these off, I have to be super careful not let all the little ball bearings fall out, which is just a terrible design, but I guess this is what wheels used to be. So we're gonna see how this goes and hope I get lucky. Yo, there we go. All right, let's put it on and see what happens. Heels are not known for their comfort to begin with, but oh boy, are these bad. I actually think I might be able to get away with it. This is kind of okay. It helps that there are two wheels, actually. It looks like my years of healing as a child paid off. Does it make my butt look good though? I think it really does. All right, let's get to the second shoe. We have a set of shoes with wheels on them. Why don't we start by giving them a test drive? Let's hit the hallway just to test. Yeah, see all right. Oh! Hell yeah! Yeah. That was an intentional hop. I'm so lucky that I knew how to Heely. We're good. All right. I'm shocked. Did you think this was gonna work? Oh. I think that serves as enough of a proof of concept. Now, time to take these on the road. So, this weekend, we hit the streets.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Oh, no, please don't make that call. We don't want no calls, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Ooh, boy, driving by the shore, looking for some more, and my Rari going roar. Want you to work.
We are here now at the skate park. This is the Dublin, Ohio skate park. You can check it out this way. Let's pan. I put on some wrist pads. I don't want to break myself, so we're just gonna try and see what we can do. There's more wheel clearance. If I just fall, I'm just gonna eat I'm gonna come right out and say it right now. These are a bad idea. basically the heel doesn't stop you. The only way to stop on these is to put the front of your foot down. See, I was gonna try and grind some rails. I literally don't think I can. I mean, I can. That's pretty good. So after we tried these out at the skate park, I realized I've been going about this all wrong. These aren't an extreme sports product. These are a product aimed at the working individual who feels they just can't move fast enough. And so I decided it's time to take it to the people. See, we know the shoe works. The question is it something that people will actually wear? Excuse me. So I developed this pair of shoes that I'm calling high heel Heelys. They're supposed to be, you know, like basically a dress shoe for the very, very busy person. Is this something you could see yourself wearing?
No.
Not at all?
Not at all.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
Maybe.
Would you recommend it to a friend you hate?
Yes.
So this is a punishment to you. Do you wear high heels at all?
Sometimes.
Are these like high or are these like not that high?
Not that high.
Okay, all right. I mean, they're high for me. So the height's not the problem. The problem is just that they're terrible. All right, well, thank you.
Oh my God.
So we've developed a shoe for the working person who just can't move fast enough.
Yeah.
Is this something that you could recommend to a friend?
Absolutely.
What shoe size are you?
8.5.
These are probably way too big. You want to try them anyway?
Yeah.
I think you could do it. Do you know how to Heely?
No.
Try. That's the goal here.
Okay.
Excuse me. Do you guys, you want to try these?
Yeah.
You're already excited about it.
Yes, I am.
Would you consider yourself a busy working professional?
Yes.
They might be a little big. So you've Heeled before though?
No, never.
Never?
Never. My parents didn't let me have Heelys.
Wait, so how do you say you love Heelys if you've never done it?
Well, I like it on other people. They're cool.
Like just the look or the fact that they roll?
They roll.
Okay, all right. So I can't just show up with wheels in my shoes and be cool.
You can. You could start it.
What if the wheels don't work?
Then it wouldn't be a trend.
Feel free to give these a whirl. I think that they're a little bit more challenging because you're like 3 inches off the ground.
That's true. This is, oh God. Oh, I have no coordination.
I can try move that front foot out,
Okay.
and then I pull.
Oh God.
You just gotta trust it.
Scared. I'm so scared.
Are you good? That's all right. Thank you. Thank you for your effort. Would you recommend these to a friend?
Yeah.
Would you recommend them? Oh, really? That's shocking. All right.
Coordination, but yeah.
Do you know anybody who is good at Heelying?
No.
Have you seen any Heelys on campus?
No.
Do you think that these shoes could be the start of a new Heely trend for adults? Awesome. I'm glad to hear it. Thank you so much. Do you want to plug any social media?
My Instagram, c.tarsatana13.
Thank you. Excuse. Yo. So I've developed this shoe for the very busy working individual. Normal Heelys don't really work in the workplace, but I figure that these. What do you think? Could you see someone wearing these?
Personally, in the work office, no.
Why? Is it the wheel?
It is definitely the wheel. It's a little too much.
Even though the shoes themselves are dressy.
That's even debatable.
What size shoe do you wear?
9.5.
These will fit you perfectly.
But I don't have time to try them on.
You don't? Okay. Would you recommend these to a friend? Like a very busy friend?
Maybe.
Like someone who needs to get fast?
Nah. Someone who's like crazy and fun.
All right. Hey, Fernando. Dude, come on. Would you wear these?
Not right now.
Would you wear them ever?
I would wear them every day.
You would?
Yeah, I would. Honestly, but not right now. I have to go sleep.
Oh.
I have to wake up again.
Oh, go sleep. All right, have fun. The baristas are staring at me. Look at them. You guys want to try it out? They're literally Heelys. I'm calling them high heel Heelys. Could you see yourself wearing them?
They kind of remind me of people at Sonic.
Oh, on the rollerblades.
Yeah. I don't think I personally would because I'm crazy clumsy.
Could I get a brand deal with Sonic, do you think?
Probably.
You think so?
Fashionable roller skates.
This is probably food safe, but do you think that these are dressy enough to be considered professional shoes?
Oh yeah. Totally.
Yeah?
As long as you get some water resistant.
Sure, yeah, well, of course, of course. How much would you pay retail for these shoes?
$40 to $50. I don't buy a lot of shoes. I don't know.
I mean, I feel like that's low for like regular shoes. What about you in the back? Would you wear these shoes?
Well, can I put the wheels on and take them off?
This is a prototype. Do you already know how to Heely?
No. I mean, I've had Heelys in the past.
So wait, so you have had Heelys?
Yeah.
So you do know how?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well,
Heels, you don't know that.
it's a work in progress. Thank you. Do you have anything you want to plug?
Come buy coffee.
All right, Slater Coffee, everybody. Thank you. You've been excellent. I'm thrilled. People have so far been responding very positively. Excuse me, sir. Could I ask you a few questions about a new product I'm developing?
No, actually, I got called.
Oh, you're busy? Yeah, we get it. Yeah, I'll catch you next time, dude. Excuse me. This is a little bit slicker than I've experienced before.
So what are you doing?
We're developing a new shoe product. They're called high heel Heelys.
What class is this for?
This is for my YouTube channel. Is this something that you would wear?
I don't think I could rock it.
Do you have any friends that you could recommend it to?
I have to think about that.
Do you have enemies you could recommend it to?
I don't talk to my enemies.
You know what? That's a good policy. I respect that. Too many people have too many enemies. They like try to stay close with just to like sabotage them. You're not about that, are you?
No, I don't have time.
Yeah, right. Of course. I mean, who does? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. I feel like we've exhausted most of Slater. So, there you go. You heard it. You heard it here. People are interested, cautiously, somewhat, but overall, it seems that we've developed a product that people really resonate with. We're going to put a link to buy them. Excuse me. Hold on. I'm getting a call. Oh, you're telling. Production delay? So what am I supposed to? No, cut this part out. Cut this part. It appears the production has been postponed due to other more serious projects. This is the shoe industry. What can I say? Anyway, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. Let me know what you think about this one down in the comments below. Let me know if you liked it, didn't like it. Get subscribed. If you want to help support videos like this, you can click right here to support me on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.